So as you can see on our specials board here, for your fountain specials favorites. Everything from a root beer float to an egg cream. That's what we're gonna teach you how to make right now, an egg cream. So today, we're gonna learn how to make an egg cream out of chocolate sauce, milk, and seltzer water. So first step is to pour the chocolate sauce into the cup. Here it comes. And it suggested I coat the bottom of the. I think I forgot a spoon. I forgot a spoon. One moment. Forgot a spoon. Back with the spoon. Back with the spoon. Oh, that sounds awful. Okay, yeah, that's should be enough. Next step, pour the milk into the glass. It's gonna make a mess. Oh, it's gonna make a mess on the table. Yeah, that's enough milk. And last but not least. Okay, then you stir it with a spoon. Oh, this is gonna be great. And stir it until all the chocolate sauce is mixed in the liquid. Oh, this is oh, this is not even looking out my eyes. I'm looking at a camera. Cooking. The first cooking episode. Hope you like it. Hope you like it. Glad this is a sturdy cup. The cup that I was using was plastic, so I had to put the camera down twice. So that's how you make an egg cream. That's how you do it. That's all it is. I need a napkin. I gotta clean it. That's how you make an old-fashioned style egg cream. That's how you make one. Yeah. Our traditional 50s style. Out of milk, chocolate sauce, and seltzer water. Enjoy this while I congratulate myself that there was no accidents on camera. For once. You know, we lose a lot of footage due to all the accidents. Oh, I forgot to put the bottle of ketchup in there. Well, we're not adding ketchup. Sitting at a other part of the table. Join the egg cream I just made. All the leftover ingredients. Yeah, we had a nice party in here. Take a look at the tacky decoration. Some bar stools. Oh no, it's not bar stools. They're diner stools. Forgot to turn on the clock. It's always 3 minutes to midnight in here, isn't it? don't really know what to say here.